cut. What? Oh, come on. Okay. Oh, he resigned. Okay. He wanna play the revenge. Okay, fine. This time I'm white. Let me change the. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna hand there white. White. My opponent is black. Okay, second match. For my internet. Okay. Now I am white, and this is also 15 seconds Boyomi game. Oh, just now he had a big reading trouble, so he really want to revenge. Okay. Oh, he has played 3-3. Oh, which side should I block? Yeah, okay, I will follow him. Okay, here, and I will reduce. I will get in here. Okay, same shape, just different parties. Here I don't know how to solve actually for this. I saw this move many times. Okay, should I just Hane here? Hane and then couple times Hane, and then Atari and Kone. Okay, let's try. It seems okay. Here, cutting. I think white can Kone. Then this position seems I think is not bad for white. Probably he will just cut here. Yeah, and then capture. Do I like this shape or not? Not really. When I just go out here, I think the going out the shape, which shape is the best? Maybe just jump. Okay, fine. Just jump and he will ignore or just move out. Yeah, move out. Then I have to just fight. Not sure. Yeah. Just not sure. I think it seems 50-50. Yeah. Okay, I have to decide for next move. Just jump. Nothing special. He will just jump as well. And then just jump while Kusumi or pincer. Pincer seems powerful. Okay. He hasn't played here, so this is good for each other. I can press this group first. Fine. Where is his next move? Okay, he decided to press this group. Oh, this is a little bit painful. Yeah, it's not so happy for me. Fine. Still, I need to accept. Should I just Tanuki? Okay, just play here first. Hana is still good for me. Is he thinking to make the set up the net? I don't think so, right? Yeah. I don't think that is gonna work. Yeah, still that is not working for black. Oh, he really played. Isn't it too fast? Seems a little bit overplay. Yeah, it seems a bit overplay. Okay, fine. And then step back. Then push. If he cannot surround, then that is actually broken, so it's not good for black. So, oh, he keeps stretching here. Oh, then Hane is good for me. Should I cut here one time? Cutting one time seems good for me. Okay, cut one time. I think it's helping for me. When I give this exchange, it seems good for. He ignored. Okay, he gave up that one. Then I have insurance, but I can push and cut here anytime. So okay, he thought the cutting is exchange. The cutting was a good exchange for him, but not pretty sure. I shouldn't be afraid for that. I can push and cut anytime. He ignored. Really? That means now he's confident to take the capturing raise right now. Okay, fine. Spend one Boyomi. Okay, now I need to think of why.
마지막입니다.
This
하나,
here. Atari
둘,
here.
셋,
Attach.
넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉.
Okay, fine. Hane first. And then block gonna help me?
하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯.
Okay, just here. Here I'm gonna lose a lot. Then what about
하나,
here? I need to
둘,
complete read.
셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. 하나,
Okay. Oh, not so hard, not so easy.
둘,
Should I step
셋,
back
넷,
first?
다섯. 하나,
Even though this is gonna be
넷,
Seki, I think the
다섯,
Seki condition
여섯,
should be good for me.
일곱, 여덟, 아홉. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟.
Fine. Here.
하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟.
아이고, how is the
하나,
result?
둘,
I must cut,
셋,
right?
넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉.
You wanna exchange, I understand. I was expecting this move.
하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. 두 번 남았습니다.
How is the liberty fighting now?
하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟.
Okay, I should cut.
하나, 둘,
The main
셋,
point
넷,
is the capturing race.
다섯,
Capturing race is
여섯,
difficult.
일곱, 여덟.
Okay. When I just play here, he will ignore.
하나,
So it doesn't
둘,
work.
셋,
So now
넷,
I need to
다섯,
surround first.
여섯.
Seems this is the best move. And then when he cut and go out, follow
하나,
up, and it's difficult to
둘,
read.
셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟.
Oh, he just answers. Okay.
하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉.
What about just around here?
하나, 둘, 셋, 넷,
I think when he just
다섯,
around here is really
여섯,
difficult now.
일곱,
I still
여덟.
couldn't find it. Yeah, now. Now is difficult. Now.
하나,
Can I just play
둘,
here?
셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱,
Oh, that's working.
하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉,
Seems it
하나,
doesn't work for me.
둘, 셋,
Alright.
넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉,
What am I doing? Ah, this game I lost, I think. Okay, resign. Fine, I had a reading trouble. Final game. If you're
대국을
set.
시작합니다.
Okay, this time final game. Final game, I am black. Is